here.
Seluko apa.
It's your neighbor.
Lukumelwane wakho.
Who is the apostle that is sent by Jesus Christ today?
Engumphostoli othunyelwe uJesu Kristu namhlanje.
The only thing that you need to get from him
Into ofanele uyifumane kuye
is the teacher.
ngumfundisi.
The teacher.
Umfundisi.
Jesus went to his father and he left the teacher behind.
uYesu waya kuyise washiya
And there's
umfundisi.
only one teacher.
Umnye ke umfundisi.
And that is the Holy Spirit.
Umoya wengcwele.
Umoya oyingcwele.
The Holy Spirit
Umfundisi webandla.
is the teacher of the congregation.
Into ebuhlungu kulo mfundisi webandla.
What is too bad about this teacher?
Ufumaneka ngesandla sochaba lwakho.
You get from the hand of your enemy.
Uthi uYesu xa ethetha nochaba lwakho.
Jesus says when he's speaking to the enemy, speaking on behalf of the enemy, he says to his disciples, and the world will hate you in other ways. You are anointed to be people's enemies. It's better if you change it. It shouldn't be the choice of the for the man is the powerful and it bends the devil.
Listen, something.
It's on the head of your enemy. There's no place where you can hide. You can run away from women. You cannot run away from your teacher. He's always behind you.